Hi guys, this is WD again from WD Techno Doctor, and this is a follow-up video of the last video that we have posted on our channel, how to make your PC faster 2017 for free, and whatever we have missed out in the last video that we are going to cover up in this video. Let's get started. So, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to optimize our browsers. To optimize the Internet Explorer, we have a cool command which is known as inetcpl.cpl. inetcpl.cpl. It's a command that will take us to Internet Properties. We go to Advanced tab. There you see that tabs like General, Security, and we need to go to Advanced tab. And then we need to click on Reset and delete personal settings. This will delete your homepage, search providers. You might have added some information about some tracking information if you know about that, or you might have added the passwords. It will delete all of them. So we need to click on Reset here. It will reset the browser. This is how you optimize the browser, Internet Explorer. Now if you want to optimize the Google Chrome, so what we need to do, we need to go to the settings. And when we go into the settings, we need to go down at the bottom and show advanced settings. Then we need to go to the extreme bottom and we need to click on reset setting. My browser is already optimized, so I'm not going to click on that, and after that you might need to change few of the settings. This is how your Google Chrome will work properly. What I like to do is click on these set pages. I set it to google.com. Right now I don't have anything here because I have bookmarks on which I click and get my pages. You might need to go to search engine as well, and there might be a lot of search engines which you do not want, like Ask or MSN or any other search engine which is not legitimate, and you don't want that. So you can just get rid of them like this. Like if I want to go get rid of this secure search, I just click on X. If I want to get rid of this Yahoo India, I click on this because I like Google as my default search engine. And if I like to have it like this, there it is. So I will get searches from only Google. If your computer is having some malicious activities, or you might have a malware, or you might have a spyware or adware on your computer, they also place a fake search engine here, so you can check that as well. And you can change the settings, like you can manage passwords here. You can change the downloads folder if you want to keep the download folder something else, and you can do that. And you can also manage passwords. Like I said, if you have stored any passwords, you can go to this passwords and forms and you can check this out here. And not to forget, you need to check this tab extensions, and here you can delete or enable or disable extensions. Like I have enabled some of them and disabled some of them, so it's best to keep less extensions here, but some of them are important. Like I have AdBlock Plus, so I keep this enabled. You can check that as well. And this is how you optimize your browsers in Mozilla. You can go to the options and reset it. If you have Mozilla, go to the help tab. If you do not have these tabs, you just need to right click on top of Mozilla and just check this option which is saying menu bar, and then you need to click on help and troubleshooting information. You just have to click on refresh Firefox. That's it. It will refresh the Firefox. This is how you optimize the browsers. These are the browsers which people use around the world, like Firefox, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. Other than that, there are a lot of other browsers. On Mac you have Safari, and you have some Opera browser and UC browsers, but I don't use them. I don't know anything about that. Let's close it. And last thing that we forgot to mention last time, that is uninstalling the unwanted programs. So we have a command for that, that is appwiz.cpl. It's appwiz.cpl. So what we're going to do here, we need to check out if there's any application which we really don't use, or there are some application which we might have used once or twice and they are of no use now. There might be some application which we installed but never used, and there might be some application which automatically got installed on your computer. Here you can check all of them and you can see the list and you can delete them. I don't have any unwanted program. Normally every legitimate application have the publisher name, and some of them might not have, but you need to make sure if there's no publisher name, that is the right application. It's a legitimate application. I know about these applications. This is PHP Manager 1.24 IIS7. It's from Microsoft, but for some reason it's not showing the publisher. But you need to make sure that you have the most appropriate applications installed on your computer. This will free up some space, and it will also free up the RAM on your computer, which will boost up your computer. And today we have already told you that we're gonna provide you some of the bonus steps that will make your computer faster. Now, the general reasons for your computer to be slow: if you have any malwares, or if you have any adwares and spywares. If you do not know anything about malwares and spywares and adwares basically comes from the ads. If you click on links, and spywares came from softwares. If you download and install some unwanted softwares which bring in more softwares to download and install, and malwares also come with the softwares, and they are here to prevent uh, any antivirus program to work, and also they create more problems, make your system vulnerable to problems like stealing data, and you might lose your data, important files. Your system might be corrupted with these infections. Your system can be so slow. So how we can get rid of malwares? First thing which I do personally whenever I'm fixing any computer, I do this command, which is app %app data %. I go to here, it will take you to app data roaming. So you just need to write Control and A and delete it. Okay, so you just need to make sure that you back up the bookmarks of your Google browser, and you might also need to back up the files of Mozilla Firefox. Sometimes it delete all of them, so I don't need that. I have already optimized my computer recently. And after that, what I want you to do is you need to go to, just type rkill in Google. It will take you to the website which is known as Bleeping Computer. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, you need to download rkill, you need to download JRT, you need to download the adware cleaner. The first thing you need to do, I'll tell you the steps. First and the foremost actually that you need to do, you need to download and install these things. It will not take much space. First JRT, then you will install adware cleaner and rkill. You will open JRT. It will remove the junk from your computer, the junk that was not deleted from %temp or that was not deleted from the CCleaner software. It will delete that, and the adware cleaner delete any adware in the computer, and it is one of the most popular and the best application used widely all around the world, and you can trust on it. And after that, when you do this, you can open rkill, and when you done with rkill, you can open your antivirus, whatever the antivirus you have, open that, and after that you can open any cleaner app and your computer will be out of the viruses. That was it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment below. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.